So now we're just hanging from that one.
It's okay, it's okay. The other one's already loose.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why it's coming down like that.
All right, I'm late to the party, guys. What's going on?
We're changing the exhaust out for an MBPR exhaust. And it's going so well so far.
Oh, this guy always opens his mouth.
Looks like we're just hanging out here.
Counts his chickens before the eggs are hatched.
Hanging down.
So we got most of the exhaust off.
Flopping in the breeze here.
At least the old exhaust. And we got...
Sorry guys, I know I got a light right there on you.
Show that side how we took that part off already.
Okay, so this side over here.
Now if I hold this side up, Chris, is that going to help when you're taking that side down? Because that side's going to come down like a motherfucker.
I know, I'm trying to hold it here with some weight.
I just don't want it to drop down on your face.
It's a good thing the face ain't under it.
I don't want it to drop down on him. The stock exhaust is not the lightest thing.
That's gonna help you much.
I got my knees on this. Ready?
Got it?
There it goes.
Yeah.
That's it, we're down.
One whole piece.
Now, the next problem is how the fuck to get it out of here.
It's gonna have to.
No, they're in there together.
That's too much. Doesn't that look like too much of a gap?
No, here the pipes banging together. They're together.
Inside?
Yeah,
Okay.
inside they're together. So now,
Yeah, you don't have to squeeze it now, but let's get that one
well, no,
Chris,
this
right here?
is gonna fall again.
All right, just slide up a little bit. Slide in a little bit.
If I do that,
Chris, see that one right there? Yeah. Can you,
This?
You think you could pass that?
This thingy?
Yes, that thing.
So, alright, the one problem that we're having with installing this is where the stock muffler is on the GLI. As soon as I can climb underneath this. Oh, dude, I just knocked your drink over. It didn't spill, but I don't want coffee down my back. Alright, so here's where the stock mount is right now. Where, for the non-resonated MBPR system, it's supposed to mount right here, which stock, there's no mount on the stock exhaust system. So we have to take this off and put it over here to hold up the pipe. On the new exhaust system, there's nothing that mounts to these hooks. It's only to the two mounting points that we took off already in the back. So I'm gonna peel this off and move it up so that we have something to hold up the exhaust.
some spray on this.
This last one is a pain in my ass.
Oh, it's like your wife.
Yeah, pretty much.
What's up, Chris? Where'd you come from?
Why don't you let your hair grow? Come on now. You know we gotta have long hair. You gotta have dyed blonde. I'm just passing on the message Mark wants me to tell you.
Yeah, you want me as a blonde. You want me as a blonde.
Come on, dude. It was 4 screws, man. We've been here 25 minutes.
I know.
Oh, no, I can still pull my hair.
There we go. There we go.
Your foot is right by that jack.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
That officially was the last screws.
These are a lifesaver. Without these, you're gonna have to take the belly pan off the bottom of the car.
And without this,
The job
beat
will
your
never
wife.
get done. And you'll beat your wife.
moment of truth, people. You ready?
Do the electric slide there, Chris?
Hey, be careful. You're on stilts.
Oh, it was a gear too.
That bitch was like, pshoo.
So we're back with the MBPR exhaust system. To tame it, there was no resonator on it. I have a catless downpipe in the car. It was way too obnoxiously loud. So what I did was I modified the mid section of the pipe, or the front section of the pipe that comes from the MBPR kit. This is a Vibrant 1650, I believe it is. I don't know what to do with the box.
We'll link it down below. I got the box right here.
Oh, okay. It's a Vibrant 17950. Everybody runs them on their GTIs and all that. A lot of guys in the on the Facebook group that I'm in suggested this. And there's a YouTuber and blogger, GTI Jake, that does this with GTIs. So hopefully this will tame the exhaust a little bit. If not, I'm off to the exhaust shop tomorrow to buy a couple MagnaFlow mufflers and have them put them on the back sections of the pipe. So we'll see. Hopefully this is the only modification that I have to do, but the Vibrant 17950 came from Amazon. It was delivered this morning. I think it was $88.
We got these clamps
then I got-
for it.
Then I got 2 3-inch clamps, road former.
I'll also link them down in the description box below.
These also came from Amazon. They're $17.99. and they're offset. So the 3-inch pipe, the vibrant resonator is a 3-inch pipe, but it's 3-inch inside diameter. So the 3-inch pipe that the MBPR catback exhaust fits right inside the resonator. And then obviously we just clamp the two pipes together, and then we're good. So obviously you want the bigger section to be on the resonator, and the smaller end on the piece of pipe. So for you guys that are running catless downpipes on your GLIs, or GLI is the only one with the 2-liter. For those guys that are running catless, obviously I'm the test monkey. Nobody else has really been able to get this exhaust because it's on back order. I happen to get lucky, and I didn't like the way it sounded. And I don't want to give up on it yet. I don't want to put the stock exhaust back on it. I'm going to attempt to tame it. If I have to modify the exhaust, then I got to modify the exhaust. Hopefully it's just a cheap modification, and it won't be a waste of time for anybody else to buy this exhaust and modify it. So let's see let's put this together and see what it sounds like, and put it back in the car and give it a cold start and see. The car hasn't run since Wednesday. I've been a little too embarrassed to drive it because it sounds like a lawnmower. It sounds like a racer car, and it's not what these cars are supposed to sound like. So I haven't driven it since Wednesday. So we'll see. Hopefully, fingers crossed that this tames this exhaust.
And quick disclaimer that the price that Mark had said for these clamps is subject to change. We can't guarantee the same price.
Alright guys, I just finished buttoning everything back up underneath. It's not perfect, but let me see if I can get you underneath there. I got the resonator, the MBPR system, this part right here. I'm gonna have to go to the exhaust shop tomorrow. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm gonna have to get that welded. I don't have a welder here at this house, but I'm gonna have to get that welded. It's a little bit loose. I don't like it. I don't want to drive around too far with that like that. So got everything buttoned up. Now it's time for a cold start.
We're ready for cold start. After the flaps close on the intake, oh yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet when you, here I'm going to do a couple revs. It's quiet when it's idle. Let's see what it sounds like when Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
Alright, well,
We hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.